Let's talk about how you use Mote in a Google Doc. The way Mote works in a Google Doc is in the commenting area. Now, we all know and are familiar with how you type in comments. So if I want to make sure she adds her last name, I select that area, add the comment. Great, done. But did you notice what showed up when I went to comment? Do you see the little Mote icon? That's right. It shows up right there in the little comment area. And it's incredibly easy to do. So giving them written feedback is great. Giving them audio feedback that they can listen to, that they can hear your voice, they can connect with you is, I just think, leveling it up, right? So it's as easy as install the extension, and then it will show up in your Google Docs. You click on it to start it, and you click on it to stop it. Ready? Don't forget your last name. Click the comment button, and it's good to go. She can come in here, she can listen to it. Don't forget your last name. She can listen to it again and again, and when she's done, she resolves it. 3 seconds. Done. I couldn't have typed it that fast. I really think we need to embrace the ability to include our voices, especially in this world of hybrid and remote, but even for our in-person. Let's connect with these kids a little bit more. And it is super easy. So I hope you found this Tech You Can Do tip powerful and useful. Get using Mote and Google Docs.